They said you did the wrong room, wrong apartment. Tell them to stop.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In June of 2024, the Howard County Sheriff's Office, followed by a moving company, arrived at an apartment complex to enforce an eviction.
Sheriff's Office. Sheriff's Office. I guess we can go outside.
When no one answered, it was questioned whether or not the tenant was notified or spoken to.
I did speak to him. I didn't know if he was home or not, though. He may have been at work.
With no response, the deputies and movers make their way inside, using a key they retrieved from the property manager.
Sheriff's Office. Hello?
I don't have any names, but not catastrophic location.
If it go through.
Yes, sir. Sheriff's Office.
The deputies move in to clear the house of any residents, as one of the workers that joined them confirms that they spoke with the tenant.
I may have talked to him from work. He said that the office told him that eviction day, even though it said the 17th, that's to the filing date, the court date. I said, no, the paper says the eviction date's today.
No Kavita? No medicine? No class.
Moments later, the eviction began. The tranquility of the small but cozy apartment was shattered as a swarm of eager workers dismantled the home piece by piece. Nearly a dozen hands descended, systematically stripping away the remnants of a life lived within the walls. Anything with a worthy price tag is taken to the curb. If not broken during the move, these items would likely be sold at a later date. But it wasn't just the things that hold monetary value that were at stake. With a chilling indifference, the items that hold the deepest meaning, the irreplaceable mementos, the fragments of a past too personal to be appraised, are crammed into oversized black trash bags before they are tossed unceremoniously into a waiting dumpster. Family photos, art the children created, journals and houseplants, toys, clothing, toiletries, and even dirty dishes thrown away. In less than 15 minutes, everything that made this place a home is gone, and all that remained was a cruel display for passing strangers.
Move the food. Yeah, all the food. Can't take no food.
But before everything was out, one deputy can be seen reviewing the eviction documents.
Is this 601 still?
Huh?
Is this 601 building?
611. We just came from 6,000.
The deputies notice an ultrasound on the fridge, noting that the birth was expected shortly after the eviction.
Hey.
610. 610.24.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all. Data tape, yeah.
1996. Oh, that's the okay.
With nearly everything removed from the apartment, one deputy reviews the documents a third time. Noticing that something was wrong, he walks back to the house to check the apartment numbers against his paperwork.
So, next one's right upstairs, and then we can go back to that.
The deputy tells one of the workers they're at the wrong apartment.
Where's she at?
Who you looking for?
Where's she going?
Yeah, left.
This is 6. This should be 106. 102.
It should be what?
106.
That's a problem.
It's 106, not 103.
Unless that's,
Unless,
what's it say then?
sure.
Your call has been forwarded to
Oh, you better answer to your. That's a problem.
Let's see if I have the other.
The deputy now returns to his cruiser.
What you said? Hold on. Better. It's 103. Better hold.
We just evicted somebody that wasn't supposed to be evicted.
So just
All their stuff.
Yeah, I just hold on, Mike. I better get Mel. Yeah, you better stop with that. They said I did the wrong room, wrong apartment. Tell them to stop. Melvin!
Now sure that they had evicted the wrong house, both deputies end their body cam recordings. Rebecca was at work when the property management called.
While I was at work, I received a shocking phone call from the property management company informing me that they, alongside the Howard County Sheriff's Office, had entered my home and evicted me. Without any notice or legal right, they threw all of my personal items outside and into the trash. As they were throwing away my things, they saw a sonogram picture on my fridge with a name that did not match the eviction order. Realizing their mistake, that they had entered the wrong property,
They said I did the wrong room, wrong apartment. Tell them to stop.
they had hastily put my items back inside, but everything was a mess.
Rebecca rushed home to find most of her belongings had been returned. While going through the bags, she found jewelry missing. Her beds, tablets, and TVs were broken. Refrigerated food was left to rot in the trash, though they were told not to take it.
This illegal eviction has caused immense trauma to me and my children.
No way we can unpack that. They're gonna give us a call. Well, we need to go get 106.
Still trying to piece our lives back together amidst the broken items and disrupted sense of security. Despite this, the property management company has only offered 2 months of free rent as compensation, which is far from enough to cover the damage and emotional distress we have endured.
Rebecca now has a lawyer and is attempting to recoup her damages.
My lawyer is seeking full compensation for the damage and cooperation for Howard County, as they had no right to enter my property and cause such harm. This ordeal has deeply impacted my children and me, and we're still struggling to cope with the aftermath. This was a horrible experience.
Let me know what you think of this incident down below. And of course, if you want to hear more stories like this, be sure to check out another episode, linked on screen.